Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital, and welcome to this video tutorial on how to create an email campaign in Mailchimp. Mailchimp is a popular email marketing platform that allows you to design and send customized email campaigns to your subscribers. In this tutorial, we will show you step by step how to create a successful email campaign using Mailchimp. So please consider giving me a thumbs up, otherwise I will go ahead and jump right into the Mailchimp tutorial. First, if you are new to the platform, you will need to sign up. You will find the link down below in the description, so go to the description of this video and click on the first link you find there. This will take you to the correct sign up page. First, click on Free Trial. After clicking on that button, you will be prompted to select a plan. Mailchimp offers 4 plans: Free, Essentials, Standard, and Premium. For this tutorial, we will be selecting the free plan. Once you click on the free plan, you will be required to enter your email, username, and password. After that, click on Sign Up to proceed to the next step. Now you need to verify your email address. Once you verify your email, you will be prompted to provide more information to set up your account. This includes your first name, last name, business name, phone number, and physical address of your business. The next step is to personalize your account by following the prompts provided by Mailchimp. Once you have completed the sign-up process, you will be taken to your dashboard. So, when you log into your Mailchimp account, the first thing you will see is the dashboard. The dashboard provides an overview of all the features and tools available to you on Mailchimp. The home page of the dashboard allows you to connect your e-commerce stores such as WooCommerce, Shopify, Squarespace, and others to your Mailchimp account. On the right-hand side of the dashboard, there's a search box that allows you to quickly find the features you need. You can also access your profile section from this side of the dashboard. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, you will find the main navigation panel. This is where you will access all the key features of Mailchimp. The left navigation panel includes options such as campaigns, automation, audience, analytics, websites, content, integrations, and help. Each of these options has submenus with more specific features and tools that you can use to manage your email campaigns and audience. Now, let's see how to create an email campaign in Mailchimp. If you want to send bulk emails in Mailchimp, there are a couple of steps you need to follow. The first step is to add or import contacts of your subscribers, and the second step is to create an email campaign in Mailchimp. If you already have a list of contacts of your subscribers, you can skip the first step. However, if you don't have any contacts yet, you will need to add contacts to your Mailchimp account. To add contacts of your subscribers to your Mailchimp account for the email campaign, you need to click on the Audience tab in the left navigation panel. This will expand the Audience panel, showing submenus. You need to focus on All Contacts and click on it. This will take you to your Audience contact page. Here you can click on Add Contacts. You have 2 options. You can either add a subscriber manually or import the contacts from your computer. If you choose to add a subscriber manually, you will be taken to another page where you have options to add a subscriber. On the page, you need to enter the email address, first name, and last name of your subscriber. In addition, you need to enter the address, such as street address, city, state, zip code, country, phone number, and birthday. However, the email address field is the only required field here, so you can skip all the other informations if you want to. Furthermore, if the person gave you permission to email them, then check the box. If the person is already in your audience, then check the Updated Profile Person. Once you have completed all the requirements, you can click on Subscribe to add the person to your contacts. Once you have added the contact to your Mailchimp account, the next step is to create an email campaign. To do this, you need to click on the Campaign tab in the left navigation panel. Next, you need to click on Create Campaign at the top right corner of the screen. This will present you with 3 options to select from: the regular email, automation, and landing page. We will select regular email for this tutorial. After selecting the email type, a pop-up window will appear asking you to choose an email builder from the New Builder or Classic Builder. You can select your desired option. If you choose the new builder, you will be taken to another page where you will have to select a starting point for your design. There are various options available, including Mailchimp templates, saved templates, recently sent emails, draft emails, and code your own email. You can select the option that best suits your needs. For this tutorial, we will go with the Mailchimp template. In the Mailchimp template, you have two options: design a custom template from scratch or use an existing template. You can select a template to make the process of creating an email campaign easier. Next, you will be taken to a page where you can customize the template to fit your needs, to add content such as logo, product, button, image, etc. And you can add layouts and play with styles. You can just click some text and you can change it with the text you want and style it as you wish. Once you have customized the email and are satisfied, it's time to send the email. Before sending the email, it's better to preview it. To preview your email, you can click on Preview button at the top right corner. Once you have previewed your email and are ready to send it, you can click on the drop-down menu to save and exit at the top right corner. Select Send Email Test, and a pop-up window will appear where you can send a test email to see how a campaign will appear in your inbox, or to share a draft campaign with a colleague. Enter your email address. Once you have selected the email address, click on Send Test. Now your email will be sent to your inbox. Now, to send the email, click on the Save and Exit button on the top right corner. This is almost the last step where you need to add a subject. In the Subject section of the email builder, click Add Subject. In the Subject field, enter a subject line for your email. In the Preview Text field, you can enter up to 150 characters that will display next to your subject line in recipients' inboxes. This field is optional. Then click Save. After you've completed the To, From, Subject, and Content sections of the email builder, you should see a green check mark next to each. That means your regular email is ready to send immediately. If you're ready to send the email to your subscribers, click Send. Then, in the Review Your Campaign modal, click Send Now to confirm your send. Your email is on its way. And there you have it, a beginner's guide on how to create an email campaign in Mailchimp. There are more things to learn about Mailchimp, so if you're interested in an advanced tutorial, let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to make it happen whenever I get a chance. You can sign up using the first link in the description. I appreciate that, thank you. So again, if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, and if you have any questions at all, please comment below. I try to answer all the comments the best I can. Thanks for watching, and